Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I'm going to show you how to properly figure out what side the door is hinged. So if you're buying pre-hung doors, I'm going to show you what you tell your lumber yard. But before we do that, please subscribe, share, and like my videos, and also hit the bell if you want new content to be sent to you. So let's get started. So I want to show you, if you were buying pre-hung doors for your home or your office, lumber yards or hollow metal providers are going to ask you, well, you want a left-hand door or you want a right-hand door. So the most quickest, easiest way to figure that out is typically which way you're pulling the door towards you. And in this case, it's always where the hinges are on the side where you're going to be putting the door in place. So in other words, right here you can see this door is hung already. This was a pre-hung door and it's in place. This is for demonstration purposes, but if you were figuring it out for your house, this is how you do it. Okay, it would be where you're going to put your back against the door. If your hinges are on the left side, that would be a left-hand door. Same thing if you pull the door towards you and your handle is here on your left and you pull the door towards you, that's a left-hand door. And that's my quick tip for figuring out pre-hung doors. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.